In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floating project in Todoist. This is a versatile feature that allows you to organize tasks that you haven't assigned a specific date or deadline to yet. Ideal for planning, a floating project is great for items that you want to capture but are not ready to prioritize or assign due dates. Let's dive right in and begin. First things first, let's open up Todoist. You can do this by navigating to the Todoist website or opening the app on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the plus sign in the project section, which is generally the universal symbol for adding something new. Click on this plus sign to get started with creating a new project. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will pop up with the option to add project. Go ahead and click on that. This action will prompt a new screen where you can start customizing your floating project. The first thing you'll want to do is give your project a name. Choose something unique and clear so it's easy to identify later. Next, you'll be able to choose a color for your project. Todoist offers a palette of colors to select from, helping you visually organize your spaces. Picking a distinct color can help you quickly spot your floating project among others, especially if you have multiple ongoing projects. Moving on, you'll also have the option to select a workspace. This step is particularly useful if you're using Todoist with a team or for both personal and professional tasks. It allows you to categorize your project under the appropriate workspace, ensuring it's located where it needs to be for ease of access. If you're organizing within larger projects, you might want to assign a parent project to your floating project. This way, it fits neatly into your existing organizational structure. Simply choose which parent project aligns best with the tasks you're going to be storing here. An important step is to consider adding your new floating project to your favorites. This makes it easily accessible anytime you need to view or edit it. It saves those few extra clicks and keeps your important projects at your fingertips. You'll then have the choice to select a layout. Depending on your preference, Todoist offers a couple of ways you can view your project. Choose the one that best suits your way of working or seeing the information at a glance. Once you've got everything set up just the way you like it, finalize the creation of your project by clicking on Add. This ensures all the preferences are saved and your new floating project is ready for use. Now, let's shift focus to adding tasks. Click on Add Task to start inputting items into your floating project. Remember, this space is perfect for tasks when you're unsure of their deadline. Here you can brainstorm, jot down ideas, or dump tasks that are not yet time sensitive. Whenever you're ready, click Add Task again, and your tasks will be stored in your newly created floating project. So there you have it, a simple way to create and manage a floating project in Todoist to keep your tasks organized and easily accessible.